grace can be downloaded via genuine commitment. Okay. The benefit of the download was hers, but the connection was my own. True of us. If you stay connected, you will enjoy the grace. But to stay connected, listen, I have seen people that have jobs. They have connection. They can do so many things, but they are living a cycle. When you genuinely get connected to grace, 6 months is enough to give you result that will show before men that you are connected to a grace. 6 months. There is nothing you do in life that you cannot become a success. It all depends on your ability to properly line up. Listen, you have benefits to enjoy when you are under a coverage or a covering. Your covering has a scope of expansion. There is no limitation. People can be connected to a grace and they stay in Jamaica. They stay in America, stay in Europe, stay in Australia. And yet still enjoy the full capacity of the network. When you don't know the value of your covering, you will be walking. There's something I've learned about human beings. As fast they are not aware, they are not disturbed. You work, you make money, you pay your rent, you eat food, you buy clothes. You work, you pay your rent, you make money and buy clothes. You keep doing it in a triangular form or in a circular form. But the day your eyes open that look, you are beyond work, make money, buy food, wear clothes, pay your rent. You can actually buy a land. You can actually own a car. You can actually start helping people. That's why you see some people leave some people in life. But those that refuse to open up, they remain small. In this season of economic downturn time, they call it COVID-19. It will never be erased in the world. It's already a history. It's already a history. Do you know the funnest of all? Somebody was telling me, one of our members, he just got multiple contracts. He said, Bishop, I said, yes. He said, there is lockdown. People are building houses. He said, I just went to measure somebody's POP. As I finished, I came, another one. He said, even right now, POP cement is scarce. You can't get it. I said, why? He said, people are building. While some are saying there's a lockdown, some are spending millions in building. We dealt with cognition last week, right? If you don't know, you don't know, you don't know. If you know, you know. It is easier to enjoy grace than to labor. Your connection is what determines your download. Be right. Is there not a man? There is an antecedent that this man once upon a time connected to a man and was in touch with this man. There is grace of God upon him. Is there not a man? The man that asked, is there not a man? Is the same man because he recognized Elisha is here. Why are we taking decision as kings? Is there not a man here who has learned under a prophet that we can inquire of the Lord? And he said, here is Elisha, the son of Shaphat, who was found pouring water, who served Elijah. It was not easy. The other sons of the prophet were far. Elisha remained close. Even Even when others were trying to dissuade him from following after his master, Elisha remained glued. The master said, stay here. He said, no. As long as you are alive, I will follow you. And he kept following. He kept following. There is a level of your commitment to grace. Grace starts speaking. Elisha did not ask with his mouth, I need this. It was the man that asked him, ask anything that I will give you, because the Lord will. He didn't tell others. They insinuated. They had a feeler that this man will soon leave. But he never mentioned it. There's a level of networking and connection you have with your grace. The grace of God over your head. And secret will be released. He said, what shall I do for you before I will be taken from you? So he now opened it. He already have heard from different people. He didn't react. He started following. Hold your peace. That is enough for him to get offended. How can I be serving this man? All of you are aware that God wants to take him and he's not willing to tell me, I won't go to church today. I won't go to office today. I won't follow him anymore. He will call me. I won't go. That's how many Christians are behaving. They put themselves in a position that grace can no longer touch them. By their actions, by their words. They don't know my value. I'm going to stay away. When you stay away, your download will stop. Who are you doing? You are doing yourself. You cannot succeed. Listen, you can learn intellectually, you can learn handwork, you can learn so many things, but you need grace to explode in it. That is why a typical unbeliever will never do business without consulting powers. No matter the field you find yourself, they will ask you to come and join society. If you don't join society, you know who do this business again. And if you don't join them, others will be prospering, you won't prosper. That will force you to want to join all those secret courts in order for you to be able to do this. That is the one world government too. There's a point in Gesso. That's what Bill Gates is saying. This pandemic can never leave until everybody on earth is vaccinated. What does that mean? To control. God does not control people. It gives you the willpower to make your choice. To enjoy grace, it takes maturity, selflessness. It takes commitment, dedication to enjoy grace. You can't enjoy grace. You can sleep with grace. You can eat with grace. You can bath with grace and not enjoy grace. It is what you do in the secret about grace that determines the grace you enjoy. So many years ago, growing up, God told me, he said, stop praying for Adeboye. I'm not a member of Redeem. Why will I be praying for the man? I told my prayer partner, he said, God told him to. So, two of us started praying for Papa Adeboye from 1989. We prayed and prayed and prayed and prayed and prayed till 2000. We were still praying. I never knew I would become a pastor one day. Redeem don't accept people into their church to preach. I preach for Redeem with ease. In America, in Canada, everywhere I go. The seed I sowed is connecting with the grace in the secret. Papa Adeboye never met me. I have only met him once. When God told me to go and see him, they said I can't see him. I said, God sent me here. The son said, write your name. We all wrote our name. We were a lot. Over 30 something that want to see him. I can't lie on national TV. He got there, he ticked my name, ticked a lady, and ticked one old man. He said, these are the 3 people that will see me. And I went. When you are genuinely connected to grace, distance is no barrier. And that takes us to what God told us, that if you must enjoy exceeding grace in 2020, 3 things we must do. Number 1, you must what? Be obedient to divine instruction. Number 2, you must do sacrifice. You must sacrifice. That is the workings. You work it out. You make it happen. Do something physically. And number 3, don't speak against the grace. Pray for the grace. Seed into the grace. Honor the grace. Value the grace. It will speak for you anywhere. To speak. The connection was governed by closeness. What my daughter was enjoying was because she was close to me. And she enjoyed the grace of downloading anything she wants at my expense. Anytime I fast, anytime I am praying, anytime I am waiting on the Lord, I am decreeing and declaring, I am incubating grace. For who? For as many that are ready to connect.